terms. First one, definition. In general, if a to the power x is equal to n, then we write x is equal to log n to the base a, where a greater than 0, a not equal to 1, n greater than 0, and a comma n belongs to R. Once again, definition of logarithm. In generally, if a power x is equal to n, take a power x is equal to n, then we write x is equal to log n to the base a. This is the exponent form, this is the logarithm form. This is the exponent form, a power x is equal to n. This is logarithm form, x is equal to log n to the base a, where a greater than 0, a value not equal to 0, greater than 0, but not equal to 1. A not equal to 1 and a greater than 0. So that value, a value is only start with 2. A value greater than 0, a not equal to 1, and n greater than 0. And a comma n are real numbers. Take a value or n value belongs to real numbers. This is the definition of logarithm. Very important one mark question. Now remember this formula. This is exponent form. This is the logarithmic form. Now exponent form is a power x is equal to n. Logarithmic form is x is equal to log n to the base a. X is equal to log n to the base a. Log n to the base a. Remember these two formulas. The formulas: a to the power x is equal to n. Now x is equal to log n to the base a. This is the exponent form, this is the logarithmic form. Now first one, convert into exponent form, convert form into exponent form into logarithmic form. Convert into exponent form into logarithmic form. Now first example, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 power 0 is equal to 1. This is the exponent form, this one. Now compare this formula. A value 2, x value 0. Now n value 1. Once again write a is equal to how much? 2. Now x is equal to 0 and n is equal to 1. Now observe this formula, a power x is equal to n. Now take 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Now here a place, now base 2, here base a equal to 2. Now exponent x, exponent 0. Now x is equal to 0. Now n equal to 1. Substitute in this formula. These are values, substitute in this formula. That is the logarithmic form. Now logarithm's form is, first of all, x is equal to, x how much? 0. 0 is equal to log of n to the base a. Now n value 1, a value 2. 1, 2. Or log 1 to the base 2 is equal to 0. This is the very important formula. Log 1 to the base 2 equal to 0. Always that means log 1 to the base 3 is equal to 0. Log 1 to the base 10 is equal to 0. Always log 1 equal to 0. Remember this formula, very important. Now convert into exponent form, logarithmic form. 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Remember these two formula. This is exponent form, this is a logarithmic form. Now write these values a, x, n and substitute in this formula. You got log 1 base 2 equal to 0. Now next do them similarly. Two power 2 is equal to 4. 3 power 3 is equal to 27. 4 power 2 is equal to 16. A to the power m is equal to n. Next 2 to the power a is equal to b. Now solve them this one. These are given into exponent form. Convert into logarithmic form. Okay, now next model. Given logarithmic form, convert into exponent form. Second one, now logarithmic form, logarithm form, convert into exponent form. Convert into exponent form. Now reverse. Logarithmic form given, convert into exponent form. Now suppose first sum log 9 base 3 is equal to 2. Log 9 to the base 3 equal to 2. This is the logarithmic form. Now convert into exponent form. Now compare these values n, a, x. Now x is equal to how much? 2. Log n to the base a. Now base 3. N value 9. Now n is equal to 9 and a is equal to 3. X is equal to 2, n is equal to 9, a equal to 3. These are three values substituted in this formula. A power x is equal to n. Now a power x means 2. Therefore a power x is equal to n. Simplify implies a power x, a means 3. 3 power 2 is equal to 9. This is the exponent form. Now given logarithmic form, convert into exponent form. Using this x, a, n. Using these two formulas. Very important. Now the formula is a power x is equal to n. Then x is equal to log of n to the base a. Now here a value, what is the condition? A greater than 0, remember that one, a greater than 0 and a not equal to 1, and also n greater than 0. A and n are belongs to real numbers. Remember, very important. These two formulas. Now logarithmic form given, convert into exponent form given, convert into logarithmic form. Simply now substitute these values a, x, n values. Okay, Nana. Now given some examples, you solve them. Logarithmic form convert into exponent form. Log 32 base 2 equal to 5. Log 16 to the base 4 equal to 2. Log x to the base y is equal to a. Log 1 to the base a equal to 0. These are four examples. You solve them. These are logarithmic forms convert into exponent form. Okay, Nana.